I will die without a sound. And down by the river there with the other day, I'll sing the whole way down. Save me, save me, oh save me. Oh Lord, save me, oh save me again. Thank you guys for being so fucking amazing. You know, you've done an incredible thing for us. You've given us this opportunity to find another home in another land. We never expected it in a million years, and we're so grateful to you for that. So thank you for coming here. Does anybody have a request? Anything they want to hear? Anybody? You gotta scream it louder than that. Bright lights? No matter how many times that you told me you wanted to leave, no matter how many breaths that you took, you still couldn't breathe. No matter how many nights that you lie wide awake to the sound of the pouring rain. Where did you go? Where did you go? Where did you go? Days go by, the night's on fire. Tell me what you killed to save the life. Tell me what you killed to prove you're right. Crash, crash, burn, let it all burn. This hurricane's chasing us all underground. No matter how many days that I die, I'll never forget. No matter how many to live a lie. Tell me what you killed to save a life. Tell me what you killed to prove